Hello friends, so today we'll see that how to add rupee and dollar sign or any currency sign in a Word document. So many times you might have a challenge to add rupee symbols or dollar symbols into the any financial report called Excel sheet or Word document or PowerPoint, whatever. I mean, many times we face issues and we are struggling with that. So today that video is for the only the shortcut, how to write through the short code, and the short code is given here. And I will tell you that how to add any currency sign in Word as well. So that is the last one. So the first one is to how to add this rupee code. So the shortcut is like you can see how we can add it here. So for that you can use 20B9 and alternates. So you can see that the generated the rupee, the same sign was generated. So another sign we wanted to generate is a dollar. So for that you can use 0024 alt and X. So it will generate the. Now I will tell you how to add any currency sign in Word or any document. So for that we can go to the Excel sheet and go to the insert, and you just select any column here, any column or any row. Just I have selected the first row, and you go to the insert, and this is called a symbol. So once you will click on that, the symbol windows, the pop-up windows will come and it will appear all the symbols here. So you can see the lot of symbols is there. You can add it here, currency, or you can check it like see the currency symbol. Okay, so you have to select it here from subset, and once the currency symbol will appear, you can find lot of currency symbol here. Okay, so how to find it? The character code is here. Let's find it for dollar. Okay, so dollar is here. If you go to this dollar, you can see this character name 0024. Okay, so this 0024, so you just copy this dollar code or character code from here, and you can go to this. See, just I have selected this K, and we don't know how to add it. So let's copy it from here, and either you can insert it in a Excel sheet as well. So you can, if you go, you can see this, the things was inserted here. Same thing you can do it on PPT as well. So if you go to the PPT, you can see this symbol. You click here and you can find the symbol as well. So you can find it here. So it's a very simple. If you wanted to insert any symbols, you just go and insert it here. The currency symbol was inserted. Same thing if you go to the document, you can see the document, the symbol code was inserted. So this is a simple trick how to add a currency sign in Word or Excel or PPT documents. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this document. Thank you.